Start your next adventure with confidence in our 2025 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew 4x4. Available now at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's Huggable car dealer. Whether it's cruising through a vibrant New Brunswick sunrise, towing your favorite weekend toys, or tackling a rugged trail, this truck is ready to handle it all with style and capability. The 301A package brings luxurious comfort and cutting-edge tech to every drive. Inside, enjoy dual-zone electronic climate control to keep passengers happy, along with an impressive 12-inch productivity screen and Sync 4 touchscreen with enhanced voice recognition. Need a nudge in tight spaces? The rear-view camera, BLIS with cross-traffic alert and lane-keeping system have your back. Outside, the 4x4 setup, leveling kit, and new all-terrain tires create a commanding presence. Whether navigating city streets or gravel roads, side steps make hopping in easy, while the tow package means no adventure is too big. What makes this ride even better? Our 12-month Huggable guarantee, a full tank of gas, balance of factory warranty, and a spin on our spin to win wheel. Stop by Jim Gilbert's today for a truck that's as unstoppable as you are.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer.